Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to use Liquify in Krita. So for example, we have here this one image. If you would like to use Liquify option, you need to go to the left tool settings, and now you need to click on transform tool because it will let you to transform a layer or a selection. So I click on it. Then we need to go to the right upper side, and here we have something like tool options. We need to click on it, and here you can find this one icon. It is Liquify option. We need to select this option, and here you can press and hold the left mouse button on icon with dots, and you can move your cursor to the downside. You can modify here size, you can modify here amount or spacing. Everything depends on your preferences. So now let's check how to use this option. So for example, I would like to increase area of this mountain. So I press and hold the left mouse button, and I move cursor to the upper side. How you see, it will let me to increase this mountain. It is a really helpful option that will let you to edit your image. Of course, this option will let you to modify objects on your image. For example, I will change position of this object to the upper side. So I'm doing it now, and how you see, it really works. In this way, you can easily modify your image. So I hope that this function should be really useful for you. So it's all for today. If I helped you to use it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel.